Alright, and this is what I'm working with. I work with a sinker, just a little hook with Brad. That's it. And I guarantee you, Brad will catch the biggest fish out here. We're gonna see what we caught. Not going too far, I'm just casting it out right here. Let's see. The whole part about this is patience. You get a lot of patience, comes with a big reward. Any minute now. I switched locations. I just went a little bit down. And yeah, hopefully in a minute now, I'll get a bite and catch a fish for y'all. I had no luck. I'm in a new location. Hopefully I got some luck over here, man. Man, it's hot. I ain't did this in a long time. And hopefully I catch a fish today. If I catch a fish, I'll be very happy. Well, this is like my foot location. Hopefully I catch something over here. I be having bad luck all day. This is only about two or 1 foot of water over here. I seen a couple fishes in here, but hopefully if they bite, a couple perch. If they bite in here, we'll catch one for sure. Y'all wish me luck. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. He's looking at the bait. I don't think he wants the bait. He ran away from the bait. A couple hours of fishing. Nothing, man. Hopefully next video, I catch something for y'all. But Spotty Reels, I'm out.